How's it going, guys, and welcome back to the FaulksTech YouTube channel. If you're wondering, yes, I am sitting in the floor. Welcome to the FaulksTech floor. Yeah, we're here. So, honestly, I haven't had a chance to do a proper video. I have a video in mind. I have one already kind of typed up that I want to go over and talk about. I don't do scripted videos, of course, but I just wrote down some topics that I would like to go over for the NVIDIA show, but I haven't had a chance to really sit down and do that video, and my deadline is coming short. Right now it's Wednesday night, and I need to have a video up tomorrow morning. So yeah, I need to get something out, and I have made a commitment to you guys to have a video up every at least 2 videos a week. That's my current goal. And I don't want to break that goal just because I don't record a video or don't have a chance to. So this is going to be well, I don't know if I'm going to call this part 1. I don't even know if I'm going to do this in the next video. I may just jump right into my build. But I just wanted to show you guys what's arrived so far. If you follow me on Facebook or Instagram, you've already seen these pictures. But I thought, let's create a video, let's do unboxing, and let's do that. I mean, what's it going to hurt? So here's what I have so far. I have the graphics card, I have the CPU cooler, I bought these fans, of course, because I was trying to minimize costs so I can put my fan funds into the graphics card, which is what I did. I have my 6 terabyte hard drive and a SSD drive. Behind here I have my 500 watt power supply. Now, I know you guys aren't going to like it being 500 watts, but this is just a starter power supply. If I find that 500 watts is not enough, then I'll upgrade. Alright guys, well, let's get into it. Let's unbox a few of these items. The only thing I've unboxed and looked at, because I was interested in what it looked like, was the cooler. So let's jump into it, and let's start opening these things up. Alright, so we're going to start with this guy, the most expensive piece of this build. This is the GeForce GTX 1070 Ti. And I don't know if you guys can see that. I don't know if it's going to bring it in focus or not. But it's pretty... The way the box is designed, honestly, I'm not a box reviewer. I'm just unboxing this for the graphics card, but the box looks very nice. It's very appetizing. Of course, not to eat, but the aesthetics are nice. So, again, we're going to unbox this guy and see what it looks like. Okay, so got that off, set that down. Here's what we are prompted with after this. Okay, there we go. And we are prompted with yet another plate here. This looks like it's just a covering. Looks like, let me set this guy down, then we'll check out this amazing device. And yeah, I'm probably going to be more stoked than most people. This is my first computer build, at least with major and high-tech components. So you open this guy up, and you are given basically a quick guide for this. It tells about ports, has a lot of different languages, hardware installation and software installation, so it's pretty nice to have. I'm not going to read over that because I don't really care. You have is that all that's in here? Yep, wait, what is that? Okay, you got a badge. That's cool. So you get a badge. I may or may not put that on my case, but that is really nice. I like the fact that they give you a badge. Alright, you got your driver's disc here. I know you guys really don't care about that. You want to see the graphics card. So let's get started with that. So here's what you see in the box. Right now it has the anti-static badging on it. So let's get that out and take a look at it. Alright, we'll sit it over here. Pull this bad boy out. Yeah, I'm really excited. I'm trying not to look like a complete geek on this, but let's get this unwrapped. Peek. Wow. This thing is nice. I really like this. So this is the card. 1070 Ti, overclockable of course. DDR5, 3 fans. You have a DVI port. Let's see if I can get that in focus here. I suck at camera work, but we'll do our best. We have display port and also 1 HDMI port. Okay, and up close look here. Let's kind of get this in focus with the camera. I think that's probably the best we're gonna do. All right, yeah. Oh yeah, the back plate. So the back plate is plain, but looks pretty nice. I will admit. Okay, so this is going back into cellophane. If that's even what this is, I don't know what this material is. I just know it's an anti-static pad. Alright, so this is the Silent Fan 120. This is a 120mm fans. Comes with 4 in a box. I have no experience with... Well, Cooler Master is a great brand to begin with, but I haven't owned anything with Cooler Master. But I'm assuming this is going to be pretty great. So, right when you open the box, you're presented with screws. Okay. And here are the 4 fans. I'm just going to get one out so you can see the size. Yeah, these things are pretty massive. I didn't think 120mm was this large, but it is. Comes with a 3-pin connector. And here's the fan. Pretty thin, so I like that. Alright. That is the quick unboxing of these Cooler Master fans. Nothing special, it's just fans. So I don't think there's any need to really go into that. Of course, I've already shown you my SSD, nothing special. This is terabyte drive, nothing special. Okay, and we're going to do the power supply last because it's a power supply. I think everyone knows what a power supply looks like. This guy is pretty popular. I'm going to open this up and show you what it looks like. So when you open it, you see, of course, this styrofoam. Under it, you have the actual cooler, and you have this right here. I have not opened this. I'm guessing this could possibly be a fan? I don't know. But let's open this guy up. I know what this guy is because this is the one I opened yesterday. Okay, so that may be a bracket now that I think about it. We'll find out. So let me open this without dropping it or damaging it here. This thing is massive. Like, I didn't believe how large this thing was. I'm gonna put this back on it because I don't want to expose this to anything just yet. Alright. Look how massive this thing is. I did not think it would be this large. Easily pull this cardboard out. Put my protective casing on. I got some heat sink over there, or not heat sink. I got some thermal paste over there. But look how large this thing is. This thing is almost as big as my head, like in comparison. Like that's huge. I can't believe I just did that. But yeah, this is a, if I'm not mistaken, this is a 240mm fan. I may be mistaken. Actually, I got the box here. Hold on, I'll take a look. 140mm, excuse me. The 140mm fan. This thing will definitely keep my i5-8600K cool while I overclock it. Honestly, I'm really liking this. I don't know, depends on how well it does, but I don't think I'm going to be going with the option to do water cooling right now. Yeah, I think this is just brackets, and I think it comes with thermal paste. I didn't know it did that. So you're granted with tons of instruction manuals. You have brackets as well as screws. And you got your thermal paste as well as another connector. More brackets, possibly an AMD bracket. I'm not sure about that. It even comes with a tool. So that's pretty neat. Alright, so nothing special there. I'm gonna move this guy over here. Alright, now the power supply. Let's go ahead and just show this on camera as well while I get it out. Would be nice to have my unboxing knife, but because I don't want to do a lot of editing, you guys are going to have to sit here while I struggle to open this. Why are you so difficult? There we go. Alrighty, we got the film off. Of course, EVGA put a nice little seal on it that I may have to get my knife for, but we'll see if I can just pull it off. Yep, I got it. No fingernails required. Okay, so let's open this bad boy up. Yeah, again, it's 500 watts, not modular. Just a cheap, not really cheap, just a nice power supply that requires little maintenance. Power cable, nothing special. And this guy's pretty heavy. Alright, we got our connector. Don't recall what that is, maybe 24 pin connector. Here is the power supply and bubble wrap. We'll pull this out just so you can see it. Again, it's nothing special. It's just a power supply with a bunch of cables. I will be going modular soon, but due to reallocating funds, I wasn't able to allocate funds into that. I wasn't able to make that a priority, so I went with this. This will give me enough power. If I have issues with it, as far as overclocking goes, then I'll probably will upgrade quicker than I am anticipating on doing. But yeah, that is my Newegg haul. So let me put this over here. So that's all I got for you guys. If you thought this video was rushed, it was. I'm not gonna lie. It was either not do a video or put out something that I would have fun doing. I had a lot of fun unboxing these. It was killing me not opening these items right when I got them. So what better way to open these than to experience it with you guys so you can see it as well. I have my motherboard, CPU, and RAM getting here tomorrow. On Thursday. Or it'll be today when this video is released. So today I'll have my 3 components: motherboard, RAM, and CPU. My case, I don't know when that's going to arrive. It said it was supposed to arrive today, but I checked and it was still in Ohio. I am in South Carolina, so that may be next week. I'll keep you guys posted on that. If you're not already following me on social media, do that. I'll put the links in the description below. I also have a link to these items into the description below. I just wanted to put out a video for you guys, so I'm going to end it here. Enough rambling. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I am sorry I'm in the floor of the FaulksTech headquarters, which is my office. And yeah, hopefully we'll have better content coming out and higher quality. Again, I have a NVIDIA Shield video that I have put together. I haven't recorded it yet, but it will be recording soon. Apologize for the lighting. I'm in an awkward spot. I have the camera here. My lighting is over that direction. Reversed on the camera. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time. And yeah, goodbye for now.